All right, today we're gonna bring some dog stairs, and these are perfect for heavy duty dogs, or you have older dogs too. So I do have an older dog. He's gonna need some help in the future, so this is what we're gonna get for it. So let's go ahead and set it up. So it's very simple, adjustable, if you guys can see. Simple. I just opened it up, step on it on the bottom, the last piece, make sure it's nice and curved. It has these two areas where it's going to grab onto any car. It's not going to scratch it. It has some rubber ends. So let's put it together. All right, so we have our steps, and these are sturdy. These are super strong, and we're going to test it out. Toby, get up here. Move, Crypto, move, Crypto. Toby, get up here. Come on. Up. Keep going. Good boy, Toby. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. All right.